So let's figure out what's going on with this TV here. It's a 65 inch Hisense TV, and the backlights it just briefly flashes and then turns off. So my initial thought was that it was a bad backlight, so I took the TV apart and tested out all the LEDs. Sometimes even if the LEDs turn on, sometimes you have a weak LED in the back, but I tested them all out and they were having solid voltage and the current was not fluctuating. So all the LEDs tested to be okay. And so then I thought maybe it could be the main power supply board or the main board. And so I went and ordered a new main board and power supply board. Had issues in the mail. One of the power supply boards got lost. I had to wait another week to get the new one. I placed the new power supply board and the main board, but we still have the same issues. So it could be an internal short somewhere on the TV. I have no idea what's going on with this TV. It's been quite a challenge there. So I'm thinking that it's probably best to get a new TV. You can see it flashes on, so it's getting the voltage okay. It just turns off. Internal short. Put in the comments if you know what's going on. I know that it's not a bad LCD panel because I have it disconnected. Okay, so if you want to learn more about TVs, you can subscribe and check out my channel for other repair videos.